Hello my beautiful Saya family, happy Wednesday. Amazing releases today. We have a beautiful new set. This set is perfect for this summer. It has beautiful bright happy colors, and this is a floral reflective Latin tight 7/8 bra, and it's reflective because these lines that you see right here, these white lines, they are reflective, and these are a little bit different than our other Latin tights. Most of our Latin tights, the seam here goes straight on the back and on the front, but this one makes a little bit of a V. So it has that, goes down a little bit, so it makes your back look smaller, your waist look smaller, super flattering, and of course it has a mesh detail. So the mesh detail is gonna start right here on the leg and goes all the way down. So I love that, and the mesh here is yellow, so it matches perfect. These are sublimated. You know, sublimation means that they're white inside, but it's a light color, so I don't feel like it shows too much. I feel like it's perfect. No pockets. This is my true size, and it fits perfect. It was a little bit hard to put it on over my hips, but then once it was on, it was great. So whatever you usually do with your Latin tights, do the same with this. And this is extra special because also from my eco-friendly collection, so adorable. I love everything about it. And if you notice, I haven't talked about this, but our new bags are also from recycled materials, and they're compostable, so they are awesome. So if you notice a difference on the bags, that's why. That's because we switched to eco-friendly as well. So true to size, high-waisted 7/8, mesh, reflective, beautiful, bright pattern is gonna make your day happy.